Hello students, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to cover 5th standard social science unit 1. Unit 1, Our Earth. This is a conversation based lesson, a conversation between Himayam, a boy, and his father. There are some series of questions Himayam asked his father about our Earth. We're going to cover one by one. The questions we're going to cover one by one. The first question Himayam asked to his father is, how did the Earth form? How did the Earth form? So what we have to know based on this question, the answer we have to think is, when was the Earth formed? First we have to understand when the Earth actually formed. Approximately 4.54 billion years ago. It's an approximate time. So nobody knows exactly when it formed. It's an approximation. 4.54 billion years ago. How did the Earth formed? Man is asking how the Earth formed. So the first division of answer is when the Earth is formed. You have to ask the question, when the Earth is formed. The answer is 4.54 billion years ago. It's an approximate time. When we come to and we come into solar system, we are looking into solar system. Can anyone say why we are talking about solar system in a question which is based on Earth formation? How did the Earth form is a question. You just have to say the Earth is formed of particles or collapsed particles. You can say that. But the Earth is inside the solar system. It's a part of solar system. That solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy, and the Milky Way galaxy is in the universe. So these things are all connected. What is solar system made of? Solar system they're mentioning it as was. It's a past tense. It was a cloud of dust and known as gas, known as solar nebula. Solar system was a cloud of dust and gases known as solar nebula. 4.5 billion years ago, solar system was simply solar nebula. What is solar nebula? Cloud of dust and gases. Just contain dust particles and gases. What happened to solar nebula is what gives the answer to how did the Earth form. So what happened to solar nebula? The reason, due to the explosion, there was an explosion. Nobody knows how, There was an explosion. The particles collapsed. What are the particles? Solar nebula, gases, dust particles. They collapsed and began to spin, having the sun at center. This is the main reason. The solar nebula converted to our solar system. Solar nebula, there was an explosion. The solar nebula particles collapsed and began to spin, having the sun at center. This is the reason. And we are naming the reason. The bigger particles which revolve around the sun are called planets. Thus the planet Earth is formed. The bigger particles which revolved around the sun are called planets. Thus the planet Earth is formed. How did the Earth form? Approximately 4.54 billion years ago, solar system was a cloud of dust and gas known as solar nebula. Due to an explosion, particles collapsed and began to spin heavily. Having the sun at center. So there was solar nebula. What is solar nebula? Solar nebula is a cloud of dust and gases. It contains dust particles and gases. Solar nebula. There was explosion. Particles collapsed. What are the particles? It is nothing but solar nebula. The particles which make solar nebula collapsed and began to spin. The particle began to spin and sun magically formed at the center. Explosion of solar nebula particles created our solar system. The bigger particles which revolve around the sun are called planets. Thus the planet Earth is formed. Approximately billion solar system nebula explosion. Particles collapsed, began, spin, center, revolve around, planets formed, Earth. The second question Imam asked his father is, explain about the universe. Explain about the universe. He asked his father to explain about the universe. So we have to explain or define what is universe. The universe is a vast expansion of space. Universe is nothing but a space which is very vast and expanded. It has no limit, expansion. It's a vast expansion of space. It's not an empty space, it's a space containing dust particles, gases, planets, you got everything. The next part of the answer is, what does the universe contain? So we're going to see what actually the universe contains. It consists. The universe consists of billions of galaxies. Billions of galaxies. The galaxy we live in is called as Milky Way. The galaxy that Earth, the solar system we live in, belongs to Milky Way. So there are billions of galaxies. There are billions and billions of galaxies. Stars, planets, dwarf planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and satellites. So, what is universe? Universe is a vast expansion of space. It's a vast expansion of space. Vast. Vast means big. Expansion is keep on expanding. Vast and expanding means there is no limit. Space has no limit. This is a fact about the universe. The exact size of the universe is still unknown. Nobody knows the exact size of the universe. That is why it's called vast expansion of space. Nobody actually found out the size of the universe. Scientists believe that the universe is still expanding outwards. Scientists believe, it's a belief, that the universe is still expanding outwards. Expanding outward, what does that mean is that planets are going apart. They are not contracting, they are not reaching each other. They are going apart from one another. The distance between one planet and another planet is increasing. It's expanding outwards. Scientists believe, it's a belief, that the universe is still expanding outwards. Universe, vast, expansion, consist, billion, galaxies, star, planets. Expanding, believe, scientists, satellites, meteoroids, asteroid, comets, dwarf, exact, outward. In this video, we have covered two major questions a man asked to his father. Explain about the universe is one. How did the earth form? Thank you for watching the video, students. If you have any suggestion, doubt, or you just want to convey something, you can comment. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share the video. Thank you.